Those clubs who think they are big and untouchable now should remember where they come from. And they should realize that if they are European giants today, it is partly thanks to UEFA, which over 60 years has been protecting the ideal of competitions assessed purely on the basis of sporting merit. Without UEFA, who knows where they would be? It seems that a tiny handful of club bosses have been trying to profit from the situation in which we have found ourselves of late in order to impose their demands and get their hands on the heritage of ours. They have been trying to privatize football, one of society's last remaining collective assets. Last collective assets of the society. Someone wants to privatize it. The big clubs today were not necessarily big clubs in the past. And there is no guarantee that they will be big clubs in the future. Football is dynamic and football is unpredictable. This is what makes it such a beautiful game. This is what makes it so popular and so successful. This is why we are here today. Where were Manchester United in the decade before Sir Alex arrived on the scene? Do you remember? I'm sure you do. And where were Juventus 15 years ago? As much as I know, they were in Serie B. If the clubs that dominated European football 30 or 40 years ago had decided to form a super league, what would it have looked like? We would have Nottingham Forest, Aston Villa, Hamburg, Steaua Bucharest, Porto, PSV, and Red Star.